Yo, what's up guys? This is ENTP.nurture back again with another video. And in this video, we are going to talk about this concept that I mentioned in another video, that is called the philosophy in objective personality. Now, if you haven't watched that video, imagine you want to be this kind of person. Then I tell in that video, you just choose to be that kind of person and behave as if you're that kind of person. And in this video, I'm gonna go even more depth on how do you do that? How do you actually choose? And what is the mindset of, just choosing? Because we oftentimes feel like we can't choose that, and that is getting chosen for us. Now, to understand how do you choose that being and become the person you want to become, let me give you a riddle. So you're living in this very small rented house, but for that rent you're paying $10,000. $10,000 for a small room. Now you might ask me, why is this guy paying $10,000 for such a small room, right? Well, the thing is, his landlord is the best salesman in the world. The best. He knows your darkest secrets. He knows what you like. He knows what you don't like. And he's been persuading you to shell out $10,000 for a small room. This room that I'm in right now, this one, this is how much I'm talking about. Your entire house is this. That's it. Your entire house is this. But you're paying $10,000 for it. Now, the person knows the fact that $10,000 is a bit too much. And he wants to leave the house. So, every time he leaves the house, he tells the landlord, you know what? $10,000 is too much. I think I'm gonna leave. But the problem is, every time he talks to the landlord convinces him, persuades him to stay for another month. Just another month. Stay for another month. Every month this guy wants to leave the house, but every month he goes to the landlords and says, I think I'm going to leave the house tomorrow. I am going to leave this house today. I am going to leave this house today. But the moment he strikes a conversation with that guy, some sort of black magic, this guy starts telling these words that convinces him to pay $10,000. Now, the riddle is, how can this guy escape this fate and just leave the house? Just leave the house and go somewhere else. If you're a smart dude and if you really wanted to leave the house, you just leave, right? You don't give notice to the landlord, you don't give notice to the devil and tell, you know what, today I'm gonna leave. And there's nothing you can do about it. But the moment you say that to him, he's like, ha ha ha, challenge accepted. Today, this guy will pay $10,000. And then you go in depression, right? Sad story. Here, in our case, the person that is the landlord, the person that is the devil that you're trying to escape is you. You are the devil that you're trying to escape, right? And every time you tell yourself, give yourself notice, you know what? I am going to change today. I am going to change this thing. You go even so far to create a schedule and say, okay, I'm gonna try escaping. I'm gonna try leaving the house on 1 p.m. I'm gonna try leaving the house on 3 p.m. I'm gonna try leaving the house tomorrow. You even have a plan. That is what we call schedule, right? Okay, 1 p.m. I'm gonna do this. 3 p.m. I'm gonna do this. But for now, let me just chill and enjoy. However, that doesn't work. It never works. So the idea of choosing and behaving as if is just to think less. Don't tell yourself anything, and just behave as if. Do not tell anyone. Do not tell, this is my problem, this is my history, this is what I'm trying to solve. There is nothing for you to solve. Just change. Just change. Do not give a notice to the devil. Do not give a notice to the landlord. Just change. Just give yourself the permission to leave the house. Leave it. Don't write a letter. Don't do anything. Don't even listen to anyone. Don't even listen to yourself. The person that you're trying to escape is the voice inside your head. And we often are living in a world where we are having more conversation with ourselves rather than someone else, right? So you are trying to escape yourself. So don't big no. I'm telling very literally, just choose it and behave as if. Don't give a notice. Don't tell I am gonna this. Don't tell this is my problem. That's the old you. That is the old you that you wanted. Not you anymore. You are a different person. You are a person that is gonna leave the house. So leave it. Leave. Choose and behave as if. Choose a person that you want to be and behave as if. Literally. Choose it and behave as if. No exceptions, no nothing. Just choose and behave as if. Don't give yourself excuses. Don't find external reason. No. Don't try to say, okay, this wallpaper is pink. Once I make it lavender, I will leave the house. No. Leave the house. Fuck it. Just leave it. Don't give yourself notice. No thank you, no farewell, no nothing. Just leave. Oftentimes we want to pay an homage to our old self. That you can do after you leave. But for now, just leave the house. Choose to be the person that you want to be and just be. You don't need a reason. You don't need a reason to leave. If you don't like it, that is enough reason. If you don't like it, that's enough reason. Leave it. That is the idea of choosing and behaving as if. Because you literally choose and behave as if. Meaning, just choose to leave, give yourself permission to leave and leave. Don't tell anyone, don't tell yourself, don't tell someone else, don't try to brag about it. There's nothing to brag. Just change and move on. There's nothing more. There's no past, no nothing. Leave everything behind. That has nothing to do with you. You are a new person. You right now is a new you. So just don't think you don't need a reason, you don't need an emotion, you don't need anything to change. Just change. Just give yourself permission, allow yourself and change. Give yourself permission, you know what, fuck that guy, I'm just gonna leave the house. Leave. Don't write farewell letters. Don't try to create a escape plan. Nothing. Pack your bags. Don't even pack your bag. Leave it. That is the idea of changing. If you watched this far, please choose to subscribe and like the video. It helps in circulation. Comment below. I would love to know what you guys think. Did this help you to change in any way? To end the video, most people say have a nice day, but I read somewhere and he said have the day you deserve. So I am also telling you, have the day you deserve. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.